Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, I want us to visit back on an asset that we haven't talked about in quite a while, and that's Celsius Network Token, or CEL, and its valuations against Bitcoin. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, with Celsius token, we've noticed a few trends here. The trend is still up, I would argue, albeit that I think it has changed. We know that the 20-week moving average has acted as support. We also knew that the 50-week moving average can act as support as well, something that we've seen happen twice now. And now, since we're at that range again, we are thinking about it bouncing once more. Now, taking a look at the last move that Celsius did when it bounced off the 50 week, it made actually a 200% move against Bitcoin during this period of March to the end of May. So if we put it in the perspective of now, a 200% move should bring us to around 38,000, 39,000 satoshis. Um, which is an incredible feat, I think, for an asset to continue to outpace Bitcoin this way. There are issues with Celsius Network Token, which caused me to sell my position, but I still use the platform to some degree, and also with that said, uh, I would consider buying into Celsius Network Token at this level here. This might be one play that I might do. Um, on top of that, when we look at the US dollar, let me tell you something. When we talk about Cardano, for example, it being able to hold $1.30 or what have you, Celsius has been holding this level for months, ever since the beginning of the year, since January. We're still sitting at that same price level we have. This is something that's pretty impressive, I would say. We dipped below the 20-week moving average, we came back to it, and now we're right on the 20-week moving average. And I think this is pretty cool to see. So that with that said, Celsius might be an area where you'd want to start accumulating a position, should you be anticipating some kind of move like this. But that's pretty much it. What's interesting about Celsius with its relationship with Bitcoin um, is that, hold on, there we go, is that it tend to move when Bitcoin was going down. Like, there was 2 weeks when Bitcoin already dropped, and Celsius kept on moving. Um, and so it was when Bitcoin started to bleed more and then rally and outpace when Celsius took the hit. So when we look at, like past moves of Celsius going down, we notice that it doesn't necessarily like an overtly bullish Bitcoin. So with that said, with Bitcoin down 3.5% for the week, this could be another trigger, so to speak, of Celsius moving up. Now, with Celsius, if you are interested in making a position, you can't just throw it into Celsius Network, the platform, to earn interest while you wait for the move to happen. That is what I did the last time, which was pretty profitable. But that's essentially it. We're kind of waiting for that bounce from Celsius. We'll see if it plays out. It'll be quite amazing if it does. And it's not like it hasn't happened before. This has happened, and in fact, not too long ago. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.